The Iran conflict isn't just a regional crisis. UN officials warn it could ignite a chain reaction of wars. Why should you worry about this escalating now? The United Nations, represented by Prime Minister Alexander de Croo, has issued a dire warning about the Iran war. According to de Croo, the ongoing conflict has the potential to spark additional confrontations across the Middle East and beyond. This is not just a localized issue. The UN's concern highlights how tensions in Iran could destabilize neighboring countries, increasing the risk of further violence and broader international involvement. This amplifies the urgency to watch developments closely. The ripple effects from the Iran war could destabilize already fragile states in the region. Countries bordering Iran may experience increased military skirmishes or political unrest as factions align or oppose different sides. This could drag neighboring nations into the conflict, creating a domino effect. The UN's alert underscores the fragile balance in the Middle East, where local disputes can quickly escalate into wider wars involving multiple countries. The Iran war's ripple effects are not confined to politics and security. The Middle East remains a critical hub for global oil production and supply chains. Any expansion of conflict risks interrupting oil flows, pushing energy prices higher worldwide. This would have immediate consequences for global markets and everyday consumers, affecting fuel prices and inflation. The UN's warning signals a potential economic shockwave if the conflict spreads. One major concern is the role of proxy groups and alliances in the region. Iran's war involvement may embolden allied militias and state actors to open new fronts or intensify existing ones. Neighboring countries with opposing interests might respond militarily, leading to fresh conflicts. The UN's alert is a call to monitor these complex networks because they can quickly escalate tensions beyond control. Recognizing the high stakes, the UN urges immediate diplomatic strategies to contain the Iran conflict and its ripple effects. Preventing escalation means engaging regional powers and global stakeholders to promote dialogue and reduce tensions. Without coordinated international efforts, the risk of a broader war increases significantly. The UN's message is clear. Time is running out to prevent a catastrophic chain of conflicts. The Iran war's ripple effects threaten to disrupt peace and stability far beyond the region. For you, this means potential economic impacts and a less stable world order. Staying informed and supporting diplomatic solutions is crucial. Don't miss updates on this urgent story. Subscribe now and stay ahead.